Hi, I am speaking today on behalf of Eastern Point. Today, we will be talking about the advantages of qualified settlement funds in legal settlements. Let's examine how these specialized financial vehicles, established under Internal Revenue Code Section 468B, provide significant risk mitigation for law firms and optimal tax outcomes for clients involved in settlement proceedings. Risk reduction for law firms. Law firms managing settlement proceeds face substantial fiduciary responsibilities and potential liability exposure. However, a qualified settlement fund offers several critical risk reduction mechanisms, significantly benefiting law firms. Liability shielding, transferring settlement proceeds into a QSF removes them from IOLTA accounts, mitigating liability associated with holding substantial client funds. Administrative support. The QSF trustee handles distribution, including complex allocation between multiple claimants and lien resolution, reducing the law firm's administrative burden and error risk. Defendant separation. The QSF removes the defendant from the administration process, allowing legal counsel to focus on client representation without third-party interference. Tax advantages for clients. Proceeds held in a QSF are not immediately taxable. Income recognition is deferred until distribution, offering clients valuable planning time. This structure allows the implementation of tools like special needs trusts and structured settlement annuities, which might otherwise be difficult under time-constrained settlements. Furthermore, clients earn interest on the funds held, which is particularly useful for large sums or extended settlements. Illustrative scenario. Consider a case involving multiple plaintiffs with differing financial needs. Without a QSF, the defendant must issue individual checks, creating a heavy administrative burden on the firm to address liens, allocations, and personalized financial advice rapidly. With a QSF, the defendant deposits a lump sum and exits the litigation process swiftly. The law firm is paid promptly, and clients have time to negotiate liens and plan finances before receiving distributions. Legal and regulatory considerations. To ensure a QSF's validity, it must meet Treasury regulation requirements. First, it must be established under a government authority. Second, it must resolve qualifying claims as defined in Treasury regulation. Third, it must segregate assets from those of the transferor. Finally, it must operate without violating economic benefit or constructive receipt doctrines. Note, avoid escrow-based QSFs that give the attorney control, as these may trigger disqualifying doctrines. Trust-based QSFs ensure tax compliance. Qualified settlement funds are a powerful tool that reduce legal and financial risk for law firms and offer critical tax and planning advantages for clients. For more information or help implementing a QSF, contact us to speak with a QSF expert today.